Well, guys, I'd have to apologize because I ended up kicking it in gear this morning and kind of flew through it and wasn't recording, and brought the camera in the house and started charging the battery, and then suddenly I just totally forgot and I just kept going. So I got part of this wall down, got this wall down. Now we're getting ready to take down. I actually took my Sawzall, literally cut the sections in half. So now I'm taking all this down. Yeah. And I'm gonna be pounding. I got the camera sitting on something here, and hopefully it ain't gonna make the camera shake too much, but we'll see.
Love destruction, right?
That was truly amazing.
So?
Yeah,
I don't know if it was amazing, but it was definitely pretty cool.
I'm not kidding, but I always wanted to see just a piece of a building that's all straight. That was so cool!
Dude, it's like a puzzle. We can just push a button and I'll go like a transformer.
And you guys, we've got all the walls down, we've got just the floor here. We've got a lot of cleanup first, and we're gonna have to clean up. We're gonna have to clean all this stuff up first, Cody, before we start hacking on the floor. You know that, don't you? So tomorrow when you get off of school and you come here, you're gonna have to help me clean all this stuff up. We're gonna have to get, yeah, we're gonna have to find another garbage somewhere. God dang it. Jeez. Yeah, I know, those garbages are already full, and I haven't even been putting on any garbage in that thing. God, that's why I got all this garbage sitting here, you guys. God, I can't throw it away because our original garbages are all full. Jeez.
And the garbages in our house are now at the new house.
Yeah, that's right. All of our other garbages are at the new house. Holy cow.
Wasn't it amazing when that wall thing fell down?
That was okay. Alright, guys. There's tmansgokarts' shop tore down. So last night I was sitting there looking at my last video that I uploaded, And it kind of dawned on me, you know how many videos this shop helped me make? This building helped me make almost everything. Except for, you know, my initial beginning stuff, but there were a lot of videos that were created in this shop. Well, you guys, I'm gonna get on out of here, and we have to do some little bit of cleaning up before we leave. Just get stuff out of everybody else's way who might come down through here. So yeah, but anyways, I'll talk with you guys in the next one. Bye bye. All right, guys, now we're ripping the floor apart. This is the second part of the video, and I don't think I ever showed you guys how I built this floor. 16 on center. We had railroad ties underneath the floor, and now me and Crystal are just taking this section by section and trying to put it all onto the trailer. So
Go.